Welcome to Module 1 of the course, Mastering Agentic AI. In this module, we'll explore the foundation of agentic AI, how it evolved from traditional AI, and why it's becoming the future of automation. What is agentic AI? Imagine an AI system that doesn't just respond to a single prompt, but instead thinks, plans, remembers, and acts on its own, just like a human assistant. That's the essence of agentic AI. An agent is not just a chatbot. It's an intelligent software entity that can observe its environment, make decisions, take actions to achieve goals, and even adapt when situations change. Agentic AI brings together the power of decision-making, memory, planning, and action all in one loop. Why agentic AI now? You might be wondering, why is everyone suddenly talking about agentic AI? Well, the answer is large language models. Thanks to LLMs like GPT, Claude, and Gemini, we now have machines that understand natural language deeply. But here's the twist. By combining LLMs with memory, tools, and a goal-driven loop, we're now able to build agents that can work like mini employees. They can browse the web, do research, summarize content, fill forms, and even manage workflows. This evolution is a game changer. From traditional AI to agentic AI. Let's quickly look at how we got here. Traditional AI was rule-based. If X happens, do Y. Then came machine learning, where systems learn from data. Next came deep learning and LLMs, which allowed models to understand language at scale. But even LLMs needed human instructions every time. So now enters agentic AI, where we build systems that don't wait for instructions. They figure out what to do next on their own. They ask themselves, what's my goal? What information do I need? What should I do now? Key components of an AI agent. Every intelligent agent typically has 4 main components. Perception. It understands the current situation or environment. Memory. It stores and retrieves past actions or knowledge. Planning. It breaks down a big goal into small tasks. Action. It executes the tasks using tools or code. Let's take an example. Suppose you build an AI agent called ResearchBot. It receives a topic like impact of electric vehicles in India. First, it plans what to do. Search online, read reports, summarize key points, and prepare a document. Then, it takes action step by step, without needing you to prompt every move. This is the magic of agentic AI. How is agentic AI different from ChatGPT? Good question. When you chat with ChatGPT, you type one prompt, get one response. But with agentic AI, you give a goal, and the agent keeps running in loops until the goal is reached. It remembers what it did, knows what's pending, and adjusts its plan dynamically. It's like the difference between a calculator and a virtual intern. Use cases that are already changing the game. Agentic AI is not science fiction anymore. It's already being used in customer support bots that resolve tickets without escalation, trading bots that research markets and manage portfolios, AI researchers that summarize hundreds of pages of content, code agents that can fix bugs or generate apps end-to-end, and even personal AI assistants that manage your calendar, book tickets, and send emails. The possibilities are truly endless. What you'll learn ahead. In the upcoming modules, we'll go deeper into agent architectures, agent memory, planning algorithms, LLM-powered frameworks like LangChain, AutoGPT, Crew AI, and even how to create multi-agent systems. By the end of this course, you'll be able to design, build, and deploy your own agentic AI applications, tailored to your needs. That's all for this module. Now that you know the what and why of agentic AI, get ready to explore the how in the next module. Let's dive deeper into the world of intelligent agents. See you in Module 2.